Yes, I am. This is a 1983 attorney.
I'm sorry.
This is a civil rights attorney. Is this a civil rights attorney?
Um, our law firm specializes in personal injury.
Okay, well, can I tell you what's going on and you can determine if you can assist?
Sure, absolutely.
Okay,
Let me
okay.
get your first and last name.
It's Kiana Clark. And may I have your name
Deja.
and your position?
I'm an intake specialist, and
Okay,
anytime anybody has any inquiries, it'll go through us, and then if we determine that it's a case that we can take, that we can assist with, then you'll sign, and then we'll officially represent you, and you'll get a case manager. There'll be an investigation. The whole spiel.
okay. It should be a pretty good case. So I'm excited to tell you what's going on.
All right. Like I said, I'm just going to get a couple more information from you, and then we can get into the reason for your call, okay?
Okay.
And I'm sorry, Miss Clark. What is your first name again? Did you say Deanna?
Kiana with a K, Keyana.
Okay, gotcha. Oh, that's a pretty name.
Thank you.
Okay. You're very welcome. Okay.
I pulled it up on my phone, searching for
Okay.
attorneys.
Gotcha. Okay, cool.
Not very many
Cool.
came up
All
for
right.
some reason.
All right.
Mhm.
Gotcha. All right. So, what's the reason for your call? What's going on? How can we assist you today?
Yes, I have multiple different false arrests. I'm targeted by multiple different police departments out of corruption. I have a wealthy abuser that I want to sue. I have a civil case out the Northern District Court with him enlisting. It was an online relationship, and when I ended it, I had a police lied and falsely arrested me. And he's had multiple parties slander, scheme, and harass me. When I go to jail on the false charges, they withheld my property. They put me in isolation, withheld rec, and even
Wow.
some
I'm so sorry that
circumstances
you're experiencing
medical.
that.
They deny me my right to go to court. There's sabotage my child custody rights with two of my children, and currently with the youngest one now on slander. They could deny me my right to go to court with that as well. Three, it may be, I'm sorry, I lost count. 3 or 4 different locations denied my right to go to court. Was denied at the Frank Crowley. I was denied in Hillsborough. I was denied at George Allen for the child custody situations a couple times. And I was also denied when they detained me on false pretenses for mental illness.
Wow. I'm so sorry. It sounds like you've definitely been through the ringer.
Yes,
Um, so you're looking to sue the police departments against, you know,
there's multiple
false
different parties.
arrests.
I've contacted CPS. In this situation, there's a conspiracy to violate my civil rights. So I'm not calling. I've had phone issues with my phone where it shut off in emergencies, data, different things. And my providers are enlisted to allow this phone situation to go on. So they will not give me technical support or help me with the issues on their network, period. Multiple different providers. They've been doing it for years. The corruption is so extreme. AT&T, my phone service went off and I could not get services again. I bought a new phone trying to get services so I can keep that number, and they would not activate my phone again. So I had to go to another provider, paying the phone bill 2 times that month. They refused to give me the services I paid for. I've never heard of anything like that.
Right.
And the phone, I bought a new phone after only having that phone for 1 month. So I had a new phone.
Wow.
Then my services, they denied to give me my services, bought a new phone, and still couldn't get the services.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yes.
Um,
And I also was arrested at the Texas Rangers reporting the abuse. The police came in and interrupted me with housing and getting assistance. I was arrested at a domestic violence support group. Police have covered for me guns getting pulled on me, getting ran off the road, all kinds of other things. attacks, pickpocketing, robberies, child abuse.
All right.
Me getting trapped on trains while the bus driver, while I was getting threatened.
Wow. Appreciate you calling and reaching out to our firm. Ms. Clark, as I stated before, we value law firm. We are a personal injury attorney, law firm rather. We specialize in motor vehicle accidents, premise liability cases, things of that nature. So unfortunately, with all that you've been through, those cases are outside of our area of practice, and we wouldn't be able to provide you with legal representation at this time. However, I do have a referral number for you that you can call.
Okay.
It's the Texas Lawyer Referral Service.
You have to pay for that?
I'm actually not sure.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure.
Oh, my life is normal. I have all these scams and different things going on. Multiple attorneys that I call on my phone would not represent me. And like I said, I thought this would be a great case. You know, but for some reason, I can't get representation because, I mean, to be able to sue AT&T, Metro PCS, these providers for conspiring together to hack my phone and keep me from getting assistance to get out of this abuse. So, but everyone I call on my phone, it wasn't very many people that came up. I was surprised, and it said that, you know, I did discuss up front, you know, I went through this long spiel, and you're not able to help me.
And I do apologize for that. And again, like I said, I do appreciate you reaching out to our firm. But we specialize in a specific area of law. And it's personal injury. Like I said, mainly motor vehicle accidents, premise liability cases, you know, slip and fall at a store or something like that. That's what we specialize in. I don't think that you don't have a case. And I'm sorry.
What about the crime of my cell phone provider denying me services in a crisis on the network I'm paying for? Are you able to go after them? If not the police, I can get another attorney for the other situations, and you can go after my cell phone provider for denying me services in my crisis that I'm paying for.
Right. Again, I don't disagree that you don't potentially have a case. They just aren't cases that we particularly.
Oh yeah, no one has covered. You know, no one has represented the cases that I've called on my phone, and a couple of them in person too. Okay, what's the number that you're giving me that you don't know about how it works?
1-800.
Okay.
252-9690.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Renee, what county do you need help in?
Dallas.
All right, I need to refer you to the Dallas Bar Association Lawyer Referral.
Okay.
Let me give you the number.
I just was given this number as a referral. Okay. What's the next one?
You're speaking to the State Bar in Austin. Telephone number is 214-220-7444.
214-220-7444.
That's correct.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, I'd like a referral for an attorney. Is the lawyer referral service?
What type of attorney were you looking for?
I believe it's called a 1983 civil rights attorney.
All right, and this is here in Dallas County?
Yes.
Wait 1 second, please.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. What is this number to?
So this is actually for the Tarrant County Bar Association.
Oh, I've been referred all around for Tarrant County, and I'm in Dallas.
Yeah, so they have attorneys all over Dallas County. I just don't have anybody listed at the moment that deals with civil rights.
Yeah, you have to see it to believe it. For years, used to be this line tried to charge me, and I didn't believe my calls were authentic, so I didn't want to pay for them. They said it was $30 a referral on this line. Now it has changed. But yeah, so I wasn't going to pay just to get referrals to people I believe were counterfeit anyway. But I'm glad that you guys aren't trying to charge me anymore for the referrals. So now I'm getting referred. I'm sorry?
Yeah, we don't charge up front unless you go online and request it online.
No, they were going to charge me. They said it was $30 per lawyer that they referred me to.
Yeah.
So I wasn't quite sure who I was speaking with, and since I didn't believe my calls were authentic anyway, there's no way I was going to pay $30 for each referral of an attorney that was going to deny me services anyway. But anyway, so now you're giving me another number. This will be the third number. Okay, what's
So
the
this
number?
would be for the, so it's 817.
And this is for Tarrant County you're referring me to. First it was Austin, then they said call Dallas, and now you're referring me to Tarrant County.
That's correct.
Okay, what's the number?
The number is 817
Okay.
336 4101.
4101. And you want me to get an attorney out of Tarrant County?
Yes, that would be for Tarrant County.
So there's no attorneys in Dallas. So you want me to drive to Tarrant County?
Not necessarily not in Dallas, just not listed with their service.
Okay. So as big as that, I'm just trying to make sure I have clarity. As big as Dallas is, there's no 1983 or civil rights attorneys listed at all.
I'm pretty sure that there is, they're just not listed with their service.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I'll go ahead and call this number.
You're welcome.
Reach the lawyer referral service of the Tarrant County Bar Association. Our office hours are 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Service have agreed to provide 30-minute consultations for $20. If the consultation lasts longer than 30 minutes, the attorney may charge you an additional fee. It will be necessary to provide a name, address, and a phone number in order to receive the attorney referral. Please have a pencil and paper ready. Thank you. All our referral intake counselors are currently helping other callers. Your call is important to us and will be answered momentarily and in the order received. Please be prepared to provide some basic information so you may be referred to an attorney. Please be advised that the attorneys are in private practice, and through our service they offer a 30-minute consultation for $20. After the initial 30-minute consultation with the attorney, you will need to discuss with the attorney their hourly rate.
So this isn't practical for me, and this is a great lawsuit. And since there's a civil rights conspiracy, they keep denying me services. Hello? I'm not quite sure how you work. I have I wanted to get information on attorneys for a civil rights lawsuit. No, it's so hard to understand me. Civil rights. CIVIL.
I know what civil rights is, ma'am. I was just saying that the ones that we have is under the employment. We don't have anything else.
Employment?
Yes. So if it's anything else, then I don't have anything. The only other option would be calling the Civil Rights Project and see if maybe they can help you.
Okay, because I haven't been able to get representation for years, ma'am. You have to see it to believe it. I even called. This is a great lawsuit that I have, and all parties denied representation.
Right. I understand. It's just been very hard to find any attorneys that say that they do handle the civil rights.
Oh, they stopped doing that now, huh?
Yeah, a lot of them have. Yes.
Okay.
The North Texas Civil Rights Project.
Okay, I can try them. See how this goes.
972.
I'm sorry, it's 972.
333 9200.
And that's 333-9200.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You have reached
social media, fax, or in person, and none of our staff members can assist you with evaluating your claim. To report a civil rights violation on our website, please visit txcivilrights.org, hover over Resources, and click Civil Rights Intake Form. If you do not have internet access at home, most public libraries offer it free of charge. You may also send us a brief description of your
So they give me these numbers to where I'm not getting anything resolved because it's networked. So the referrals I get, I have called making these phone calls. Let's see what this is. Hello?
Kiana, you eating pussy?
I'm sorry?
Are you eating pussy? Say hi. Here,
Who is
let me
this?
speak to your son. So you know I'm real. Say hey to your mom.
Hey, Mom.
What is... Hello?
Hey, how you?
Who is this?
Tristan.
Why would someone call and do this sick stuff all the time? Pretend to be other people, pretend to be the news. And I mean, this is just really
Mom.
out of control that the police enforce.
Mom. Can you please go take your medicine, Lord, please? I know you ain't do it.
It's really sick.
Tell her you working for Jason now. He works for Jason. If you take your medicine, I'll let you.
I'm hanging up.
I'm hanging up.